Now, hello everyone. Today we are going to study a problem on square pyramid from the topic development of surfaces under mechanical working drawing, that is MWM, ME3I. Okay, problem statement is given as a square pyramid, side of base 30 mm and axis length 50 mm is kept on HP on its base with all sides equally inclined to VP. It is cut by an auxiliary inclined plane 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis. Draw the DLS of pyramid, draw the development of pyramid. Now I want to show you one video so that you will get exact idea about the development of pyramid. So just we have read the problem statement, a square pyramid having 30 mm base and 50 mm axis length. It is kept on HP. So how the front view and top view of this pyramid will looks like. First of all, draw one XY line. Let's draw one XY line. And in top view, we have to draw square which is equally inclined to VP. 30 mm. It is given 30 mm, so we have to draw 30 mm each side. Just take 30 mm. Square pyramid, so in top view, it will look like a square. Pyramid, so you have to join it centrally. Okay. So this is the top view. Now we will draw the front view with the help of these projections. Just give the name or number over here. We are giving 1, 2, 3 and 4. The central point is O. Fine. Now take the projection in front view or above the XY line with the help of faint lines. All these lines should be faint. These are the projection lines. And you have to draw front view. Pyramid, how it looks like in front view. You have to draw all these things. You practice at your home. Height is given, height is 50 mm. So take axis is 50 mm from this portion. Whatever height given in your examination, if they will mention 80 mm, then you have to take 80 mm, that is 8 centimeter. Here they have mentioned 50 mm, so take 5 centimeter, that is 50 mm. Mark over here and join the end points. So this is the front view and top view of square pyramid. We have to give the names. Here we are giving names. One point will come on this point, so it will be 1 dash. In front view we are giving 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash naming. So this point is 1 dash. 2 and 4 come to this point, so 2 dash and 4 dash, and 3 point is come on this, so it is 3 dash and O dash. In front view we are giving name O dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, and in top view 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Now we have to take the projections and draw one parallel line to the O dash, 3 dash. So we'll get the development. Mark one arc by taking a radius O to 3 distance. So it is faint lines. These are the faint line. And take the distance from of you 2 to 3, 1 to 2, whatever, because it is one and the same, and mark 4 times because it is square prism. So now we are cutting it by auxiliary inclined plane, which is at some distance from the bottom. Whatever the distance they have given, just mark the distance. In problem statement they have given one circular hole is there, so we have to mark that hole and then we have to develop it.